Hi folks, I'm solving Leetcode's top 150 questions, and that's all you need for your coding interviews. In this video, we'll be solving 322 coin change. We are given an integer array coins representing different coins, and we are also given this integer amount representing the total amount of money. And we have to return the fewest number of coins we can use to make up to this total amount of money. And if it is not possible, then we have to return -1. We can also assume that we have infinite number of each coin. Let's understand this problem with an example. So brute force way to solve this could be at any given point in time, we have got 4 choices or n choices, where n is the length of coins. This is 1 and this is 5. 7 minus 3 is 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. And 7 minus 5 is 2. So this is our first case, and from here we have got n choices to make. 2 minus 1 is 1. 2 minus 3 is -1. Now if we again go down this path, let's say with 1, we get 0. And this is our first base case. We got here through 1, 2 and 3 steps. So our min is currently at 3. So if you see this path, we get 0 here, and we are getting it in just 2 steps instead of 3. So we'll update this min from 3 to 2. So one thing, if you notice, like if we have this 3 here, we also have this 3 here. So isn't the result of both could be memorized and we can use? We know what is the minimum steps which will take us from 3 to 0, and that goes for every number. If we compute it once, we can reuse that, but we can solve this with a dynamic programming solution. And for that, what we can do is we can choose like a bottoms up approach, like the sub problems here. So we can calculate the DP for every amount. If we have, let's just say DP at 0, what's the minimum number of coin that we need for 0? It's going to be 0. What will be that in the case of DP 1 coin? What's the minimum number of coin to do that? So this will be our 1. And similarly, we can iterate through this coins and calculate for the total amount here. What that means is, for 0, we need 0 coins. For 1, we need 1 coin. For 2, we need 2 coins, which is 2 pair of 1 and 1. And similarly up until 6. Now we will check for DP at 7. So to calculate this, we start from here. DP of 1 is 1. Yeah, this will be 3. And yeah, our minimum will be 3 initially. Then we will move from 1 to 3. At 3, we know that we have 1 plus remaining of this, which is 4, and this will 2, and we will update this to 2. Again, we can continue up until whole this and return the minimum element. Since we are iterating through this array and the total, so the time complexity for this approach will be O of n into t, which is t is our total amount and n is our length of this array. Let's look at code on how we can solve this.